the first thing that I really love about creating content or being a fashion blogger is the freedom that I get and the creative satisfaction, I would say,
Wow.
is something that I really enjoy experiencing. You create content, you do
Right.
things that you
Right.
love. It is a different joy. It is like that immense happiness.
You are listening to The Clarity Talk. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Clarity Talk Show. एक ऐसा शो जहां मैं शुभ गौतम हर बार किसी ऐसे पर्सनालिटी को लेकर आता हूं जो आपको किसी पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री या करियर ऑप्शन या फिर किसी फील्ड का इनसाइट्स और इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सके सो दैट यू स्टे इन्फॉर्म्ड, गेट सम क्लैरिटी एंड मेक बेटर लाइफ एंड करियर डिसीजंस। क्या आपको याद है वो ज़माना जब फैशन को लोग सोचते थे कि अरे यार फैशन बड़ी ख़राब चीज़ है? अब वो ज़माना नहीं रहा और अब तो फैशन को लोग सिर्फ फैशन नहीं बल्कि एक करियर ऑप्शन की तरह भी देख रहे हैं। आज हमारे साथ हैं अलीशा सिंह। अलीशा इज़ अ फैशन व्लॉगर एंड यूट्यूबर फ्रॉम पटना। इस एपिसोड में हम अलीशा से बात करेंगे अबाउट हर पर्सनल लाइफ, यूट्यूब जर्नी, व्लॉगिंग एक्सपीरियंस एंड अबाउट द फैशन इंडस्ट्री। और क्योंकि हम दोनों पटना बिहार से हैं तो थोड़ी उस बारे में भी बात हो जाएगी। तो सुनिए ये कॉन्वर्सेशन मेरे और अलीशा के बीच। Hi Alicia, I'm very happy that you're here and I'm very excited to have this conversation with you. Could you please tell us something about yourself?
First of all, thank you, Shubh, for having me on the Clarity Talk. And I'm more than happy to be here. And first of all, congratulations for this. And the name, it's so creative, Clarity Talk. First thing that
Thank you.
hit me was the name. It was amazing. Now, coming to your question, I am a 21-year-old journalism and mass communication student and a
Mm.
YouTube content creator.
Okay.
So we have been creating content on digital platforms from the last 3 years now
Wow.
and have made more than 200 videos, which I
Wow.
feel is the best thing.
Yeah, that is
Yeah, which I
amazing.
feel is the best. Yeah, it's something that I can brag about truly. So recently, like a couple of months back, a channel amassed 10,000 subscriber, crazy, which I felt was a great start to 2021, है ना?
Okay,
So
yes.
yeah, so we create videos about fashion, fitness, women fitness in general, lifestyle, travel, and also about my life as an average Indian coming to journalism.
Mm.
I am in the final year of my college, and it's just like 2 more months कि मैं graduate हो जाऊंगी finally,
Okay.
and that's pretty much about me.
वाह वाह। सो मतलब आपका जो YouTube वीडियो है वो बेसिकली एक व्लॉग है जो कि थोड़ा सा ज्यादा फैशन एंड रिसेंटली फिटनेस के तरफ भी इंक्लाइंड है, राइट?
Exactly.
Cool, cool, amazing. So,
Hmm.
like, could you please tell us ki how does a typical day in the life of a vlogger, मतलब especially a fashion vlogger looks like? मतलब आपको अपने कितना टाइम आपको देना पड़ता है YouTube and
So
Instagram
you're
and
talking
बाकी?
about how my days like go on, है ना?
Right, right, right.
Okay. Yes, this is like a normal question for me. Now, so as I mentioned, I am also a student, just like any Indian family, marks, SGPA or say CGPA really matters for you
Okay.
also, like for everyone.
Yes, yes.
And it's most important thing Indian families mein to. So I try to balance out both the things by dividing my days into like small segments. ठीक है?
Hmm.
So like I keep 4 hours per day for study so that I do not lag behind in that क्योंकि वो
Yes.
भी इम्पोर्टेंट है ही एंड नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द रेस्ट 20 आवर्स जो बचते हैं तो
Hmm.
एवरी मॉर्निंग आई ट्राई टू ब्रेनस्टॉर्म फॉर न्यू वीडियोस कि न्यू वीडियोस आ जाएं एंड उनके आइडियाज क्योंकि मॉर्निंग बहुत सही टाइम होता है किसी भी चीज पे सोचने
Yes.
का
Uh-huh.
एंड टू राइट अबाउट इट इन माई डायरी विच कम्स रियली हैंडी इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग कॉन्टेंट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस तो आपके पास
Okay.
अगर एक डायरी होती है कैन प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली ठीक है
Yes, yes,
so
yes.
my afternoon basically goes in scripting and ideating my videos at how the
Hmm.
story will be, how the video will flow exactly.
Hmm.
Now in the evening, or I can say the a golden hour for creators. Us time pe we shoot our videos, and
What is
it
that
takes
golden
around
hour?
golden hour video. Golden hour time mean matlab you can shoot in that area that time, and the atmosphere also supports
Okay. Okay.
the client. Okay, the lighting and everything. So
अच्छा, अच्छा.
it takes around 4 to 5 hours to shoot a video, like depends on the size of the video also. Now
Okay.
at around 8 I either reply to the mails, the comments
अच्छा,
that I
टेल मी
get on
वन
my
थिंग,
video, or
लाइक
yeah.
एक टिपिकल 20 मिनट्स के वीडियो को शूट करने में कितना टाइम लगता है?
20-minute video shoot. If it is like a vlog, the whole day, while a vlog, so it will take the
हाँ हाँ,
entire day.
यस
But for
हाँ.
like normal chit chat video, it will take 2 to 3 hours definitely.
अच्छा,
But someone who's just starting out, it can take even more. So when
इवन
I
लॉन्गर.
started out, na, yeah, exactly. क्योंकि आप उस वक्त experience नहीं होते. But later on, when you will gather that amount of experience, तो वो time reduce होते जाता है. तो right now, I can take like three hours around that.
मतलब 3-4 बार गलतियां,
Hmm.
स्टार्टिंग में तो 3-4 बार गलतियां करते होगे, फिर अब फिर से रिपीट करो, और फिर पसंद नहीं आया ये ड्राफ्ट को, तो फिर से एक बार उसको फिर से रिकॉर्ड हुआ.
Exactly. And
हाँ.
many times ऐसा भी होता है कि आप पूरा shoot कर लेते हो and when you are just looking up the clips, you feel fucked up. No, I
या.
should stop it. I should reshoot. So that is the time when we shoot in the evening, and at around
हम्म.
8 I just reply to my mates and everything. And रात वाला जो time होता है उस time पे I edit my videos or say thumbnails and stuff. So I try
हम्म.
to finish it off but in the night time only. That's how I manage my day. एंड आई एम अ ट्रू नाइट आउल, तो इसलिए
ओह वाओ.
एडिटिंग पार्ट मैं हमेशा रात के लिए रखती हूँ. आई जस्ट लव यू दैट.
हाँ, रात को शांति रहती है, बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करके काम कर सकते हो. मतलब आई एम ऑल्सो नाइट ऑल, तो आई
एग्जैक्टली.
कैन अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब रात को काम करने का अलग ही वो फील होता है.
हाँ.
दैट्स वन थिंग. आपकी बात सुन के वन थिंग इज आई रियलाइज्ड कि एक हद तक देखा जाए तो आपका जो दिन है वो रिवॉल्व करता है आपके वीडियोस के अराउंड.
हम्म.
उसे ये मतलब कह सकते हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा आप
हम्म.
इन्फ्लुएंस हुए होंगे वीडियो क्रिएशन से.
बिल्कुल.
तो आप कुछ मतलब शेयर कर सकते हो 2-3 बातें जो आपको फील हुआ कि 2 or 3 years before you were starting out, when you were starting out, and today when
हम्म.
you have, have gained some experience in this field, कोई दो
हम्म.
तीन चीज ऐसा पर्सनालिटी में चेंज जो आप फील कर रहे हो?
Personality में change which I am feeling right now. It's
नॉट नॉट
the
नॉट
first thing.
नेसेसरली ओनली पर्सनालिटी, अ माइंडसेट भी.
Mindset. Okay. So the first thing that I'll talk about the personality. Okay. So I feel I am more confident पहले के comparison में अभी,
अच्छा.
that I'm more vocal about things. And second thing कि हाँ, the most important thing I feel is the financial independence that I'm getting.
ओके.
क्योंकि वो
या विल कम टू
important
दैट,
है
या विल
for
कम टू दैट.
yeah, बहुत important है for a person, for a woman in general. So I feel these two things is something which I have changed, like in
वाओ.
these 2-3 years.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द
Hmm.
बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट बीइंग अ फैशन ब्लॉगर? द बेस्ट थिंग.
Um, okay, so I really just wanted to answer this question.
हाँ.
Uh, the first thing that I really love about creating content or being a fashion blogger is the freedom that I get and the creative satisfaction, I would say,
वाओ.
is something that I really enjoy experiencing. You create content, you do
राइट.
things that you
राइट.
love. It is a different joy. It is like that immense happiness. So if you are in this field of content creation, you don't owe anything to anyone except to yourself and to your audience, है ना? So
यस.
you are your only competition, and with each time you try getting better and better. With each passing week, the each upload, we set particular benchmarks, and then we cross it
या.
ourselves
राइट.
only.
राइट.
So another thing that I genuinely am very grateful is the appreciation that I get on a daily basis.
ओके.
Uh, so these days I kind of feel for some days I feel demotivated to work. But if that is the commitment, if I have made a particular commitment to upload videos on a particular day, I have
हम्म.
to, because I have made that commitment to myself first, then to my viewers, and the
यस.
rewards are mine, so are the disappointments. So that's how it keeps me going, and that's how it keeps anyone go in the longer run if you
वाओ.
are in content creation.
या, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. अच्छा, tell me
Hmm.
one thing. Where do you find your fashion inspiration for your videos and, your uploads and your daily clothing also?
Okay, daily clothing and inspiration, like a particular person or some.
मतलब
हाँ.
कोई आप ब्लॉग या व्लॉग फॉलो करते हो या कोई मैगजीन, मतलब अपने आप को कैसे अपडेट रखते हो कि हाँ ये फैशन में चल रहा है, एंड तो ये मेरे वीडियोस में आना चाहिए, या फिर इन अ वे ये
Hmm, hmm,
पोस्ट
hmm.
में मेरा आना चाहिए, राइट?
Okay, Shubh, so one thing which I would like to say is that fashion is something very subjective, and it is
हम्म.
different for each one of us. For my videos, I try to take inspiration from a lot of places, a lot of people,
Hmm.
a lot of Instagram handles in general. One of it being the American Style. There's this page on Instagram, American Style, which kind of
Hmm.
keep it updated about fashion and trends and everything what is going on.
Okay.
And anyone who satisfies me with their creativity and uniqueness is someone I really look up to, be it anyone. So that's how it goes. And for my daily clothing, I like to experiment a lot. क्योंकि experiment करूंगी तो I can suggest ना, preach, practice
हाँ.
what you preach. That's what we say. So I like to experiment a lot with my clothing and to put on new things on the table for my viewers. So it's really important to cater the needs of the average middle class desi Indian people. So
हाँ.
that's their day-to-day clothing becomes easier. So sustainable and recyclable fashion is what I preach basically. I combine ideas from a lot of people,
Hmm.
places, Instagram pages or YouTube channels, and inculcate them in my videos in my style. And as long as you don't add your unique vibe to the video, you won't get that recognition. So वो
Yes.
बहुत ज़्यादा
Yes.
important है. You can take inspiration, but you have to add that spice of your own vibe. That's how it goes.
So you take inspiration from many places, but last में
Yeah.
it's your personal choice.
हाँ
आप
हाँ.
choose करते हो
That
कि
that I
which.
add.
हाँ. That is where you unique Alisha Singh comes in, right?
Exactly.
Great, great. You seemed very excited when you talked about your financial independence. So let's talk about
Yes.
it. What are your sources of income?
Oh my God, so straight of you. Okay, so earning in fashion blogging. So content creation of fashion blogging in general is like very alien concept in India, in our state also. So I'm glad you asked this question first of all, as a
Yes.
lot of young guys and girls who would be watching this or say listening to the podcast might be curious to know how exactly these things work. क्योंकि I was very curious when I started out, क्योंकि कुछ भी idea नहीं होता if you're not into this business.
और लोग ठीक से बात
Uh,
बात भी नहीं करते पैसे की.
Exactly. No one
कुछ.
talks about it. Na?
हाँ.
Now, talk about myself, like most of the creators, I earn in two ways. Okay. The first way is Google AdSense, as we all know. So, whenever you watch a video, you're shown an ad in the starting or in the mid or at the end also. So, the brand pays for the ad to the platform, and the money then gets divided into the creator and the
Okay.
platform.
Hmm.
So that's how we earn through Google AdSense. Now, coming to the second or say the main source for any creator is the collaborations, the brand collaborations and sponsorships. So
Okay. Okay.
basically, a brand reach out to us over mail saying that we have this particular product or this
Hmm.
strategy or this campaign, and we want you to promote this. What is your commercials, and is this the right price at which we can work? So that's how it is done.
Hmm.
Now,
Hmm.
apart from these two sources, there are things like merchandising, your personal merchandise or
Hmm.
affiliate
Yes.
marketing is
Okay.
something that a lot of creators are doing these days. So that's kind of that's is that like a way to expand the business. Now, apart from these three things, one more thing that you can definitely do is to freelance, like the video creation for other channel.
For
There
other
are a
channels.
lot of other channel. For there are a lot of brands and organization who look up to people who can really communicate well. तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है freelancing में, and then brand reaches out to us for their platform only. So in that way, we can also earn. And I have recently started doing this, and it's like a great experience altogether since you're creating content either on your channel or anyone
Hmm.
else's channel. That's how it goes.
अच्छा तो आपने अभी फ्रीलांसिंग कितने दिन कितने महीने पहले स्टार्ट की?
I have started it like 2 months ago.
एंड डू यू थिंक कि आपका ये जो ऑलरेडी एक यूट्यूब चैनल था with
हाँ
X number of subscribers, with X
हाँ
number of
हाँ.
X type of popularity, क्या वो आपको help किया in getting your freelance gig?
Definitely, definitely. Because the
Okay.
brand itself reached out to me because of the
Hmm.
platform. They
Hmm.
saw me
Hmm.
on on my channel only, and they were kind of convinced that yes, I have good communication skills. I can talk to people in a proper manner. So
हाँ.
that's how it goes. So the main thing was my channel only. From there they reached, na. So that's
True.
how
True.
the flow goes.
Right. Right. So, अच्छा, so I wanted to ask you this, कि
Mhm.
when did you upload your first video?
It was 18th August 2018.
2018. And कब आपने decide किया था कि आपको YouTube में आना है? मतलब मेरा एसेंशियली
Decide.
क्वेश्चन पूछने का इंटेंशन है कि जिस दिन आपने डिसाइड किया और जिस दिन आपका पहला वीडियो आया, इसके बीच में कितना गैप था?
Yes. डिसाइड तो काफी दिन से कर रहा था, अराउंड 6 मंथ 7 मंथ से डिसाइड हो रहा था. इवन आई वाज जस्ट ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग एंड राइटिंग
हाँ।
कॉन्टेंट्स ऑन माई मोबाइल नोट्स, द नोट्स दैट वी हैव. उस पे सारा कंटेंट प्लान था एंड आई जस्ट कीप ऑन राइटिंग द कंटेंट आइडियाज कि कुछ भी दिमाग से निकल ना जाए, क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में अचानक से हिट होता है एंड इट टेक्स सेकेंड्स टू कि वो उड़ भी जाए. तो
इसीलिए लिख
प्लीज
लेना
उसको
चाहिए।
कभी भी ऐसा. एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली, सो आई जस्ट राइट इट आउट.
तो ये इतना समय क्यों लगा, मतलब 7 महीने स्टार्ट करने में?
देखो, a lot of things goes on. You can start it out, but yes, you have to gather a lot of things, a lot of technicalities in general, or
हम्म।
you need to learn some skills also. You need to know how to edit videos.
वीडियोस,
So I
यस।
throughout those 6 7 months, what I was doing was taking tutorials from YouTube itself, कि how I can edit my videos or how you can
हम्म।
ग्रो ऑन यूट्यूब. सिंस मेरे लिए भी ये बहुत नया था, क्योंकि बिहार में बहुत ज्यादा लोग कर नहीं रहे थे. सो
हम्म।
नो, देयर वाज नो वन टू एक्चुअली गाइड मी. तो
हाँ।
मेरे लिए यूट्यूब ही मेरे लिए गाइडेंस भी बना. एंड आई यूज टू वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज on how can I edit my videos and how will I manage my studies. This is what I was highly skeptical about, कि
अच्छा।
how I will manage my studies. uh, क्योंकि हाँ होता
क्योंकि
है,
आपके
क्योंकि
उस समय दिमाग में ये तो नहीं था कि स्टडीज पूरा छोड़ देना एंड देन एक और मतलब फुल टाइम यूट्यूबर बनना है।
एग्जैक्टली
हाँ।
एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि उस समय आई वाज जस्ट गेटिंग एडमिटेड टू द कॉलेज. तो
हाँ।
ये भी था दिमाग में कि कहीं मेरी पढ़ाई पे तो लॉस नहीं होगा, क्योंकि मम्मी लोग के दिमाग में वो था. माय पेरेंट्स वर काइंड ऑफ स्केप्टिकल, व्हाट दिस गर्ल इज सेइंग, मैन, इज दिस फॉर लेजर और इज शी इज सेइंग लाइक सीरियसली.
हाँ। यस, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड। अच्छा, टेल मी वन
या.
थिंग। जब आप
हाँ.
ये डिसीजन ले रहे थे, इस
जी.
बीच में क्या आपके दिमाग में ये बात नहीं आया कि सिंस यू आर अ मास मतलब सिंस आप
हम्म.
मास कॉम के स्टूडेंट हो एंड
हाँ.
टू सम एक्सटेंट आपके कॉलेज में बहुत ज्यादा राइटिंग रिलेटेड वर्क रहेगा, तो फैशन
हाँ.
ब्लॉगिंग भी इज ऑल्सो गुड ऑप्शन, जहाँ पे राइटिंग आप लिख
यस.
रहे हो फैशन के बारे में, नॉट अपलोडिंग वीडियोज. सो व्हाई डिड यू चूज वीडियोज ओवर राइटिंग?
Camera is something, camera and fashion, both are the things that really gravitated me. ठीक है. तो
हम्म।
camera is the first thing that came in the picture. So videos,
अच्छा।
photos हमेशा से Instagram handle पे I used to click a lot of pictures with different crazy, fashion styles and all of it. But
हम्म।
when video वाला thing came into my brain, I was like, I have to do this first. Otherwise, I also started my blog at that time, write the writing wala part. And apart from that, I also write for the newspaper, The Times of India. I'm a freelancer there as well.
ओह वाओ, वाओ, दैट्स
So I
रियली
really
नाइस।
wanted to balance out things in my professional life, in my personal life, in to the things that I love, to the things that I owe. वैसे.
ऑन व्हाट टॉपिक डू यू राइट एट टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया?
Times of India में freelancing होता है, mostly advertorials. We deal in advertorials. I posted a lot of pictures of my articles on Instagram.
अच्छा, आपने अभी जस्ट मेंशन किया कि एक आपको चैलेंज फेस करना पड़ा था कि यू डिड नॉट
हम्म.
हैव एनी मेंटर, कोई बिहार में ऑलरेडी था
हम्म.
नहीं हु वाज डूइंग फैशन ब्लॉगिंग,
था नहीं. हाँ.
एंड देयरफॉर
हाँ.
इन अ वे यू वर, आप पहले थे जो यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे थे।
बिल्कुल.
एंड ये तो एक ऐसा चैलेंज है जो कि कोई भी फेस करेगा कमिंग फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट ऑफ
हम्म.
द कंट्री जहाँ पे कंटेंट क्रिएशन अभी अच्छे से बूमिंग मतलब अच्छे से
हम्म.
राइज नहीं हुआ है। बट आई वांट टू स्पेसिफिकली टॉक टू यू अबाउट द चैलेंजेस जो कि आपने फेस किया बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट ऑफ बीइंग अ बिहारी। मतलब कि कम टू थिंक ऑफ इट,
हम्म.
एक
हम्म.
बिहार से होना, नाम ही होना कि एक
हम्म.
मतलब दूसरों के लोग दूसरे दिमाग में एक नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन आ ही जाता है। वो जो इंप्रेशन है,
बिल्कुल.
टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, वो
हम्म.
पॉजिटिव नहीं है। भले ही
हाँ.
मिलने के बाद, जानने के बाद वो
हम्म.
चेंज हो जाता है ऑब्वियसली, मगर
हम्म.
स्टार्टिंग में वो एक
हम्म.
नेगेटिव इंप्रेशन बनता है।
हम्म.
माय क्वेश्चन
बिल्कुल.
इज, व्हाट वर द
हम्म.
चैलेंजेस जो आपने फेस किया जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट कि आप बिहारी से थे?
Bihar, say this question hits really different, Shubh. So, uh, yeah, the first thing that I want to say that the people of Bihar are really sweet and extremely honest, if
यस।
that's the right word. But yeah, right from the start, I kind of had a mixed experience throughout. Now, talking about the positive aspect, let's talk about the positive side first. The
हाँ।
people of Bihar are like extremely vulnerable, and they really feel proud about someone who amongst them achieved something worth appreciating. But I can definitely say that there is still a lot and lot of scope for improvement in how people choose their career here and their mindset also. And I'm no one to say this that unconventional or jobs or say are great or 9 to 5 jobs are not that worth it. I just mean to say that anyone who is doing something creative or out of the way should be supported. Like unke people se to at least some support milna chahiye and the positive attitude
Hmm.
towards their
Hmm.
work. So
True.
I literally hunt for the locations where when I started out shooting my videos. But now most of the cafes and restaurants, they are opening up in Patna and are supporting creators. But
Hmm.
this wasn't the scene like 2 3 years back. I used to hunt for location. We used to like street shoot, normal shoots we used to do. Now one more thing that I dislike is to take someone's work for granted, जो कि बहुत
Hmm.
ज़्यादा prevalent है यहाँ पे. It
Hmm.
takes a lot of efforts in everything that you do, everything. एंड इफ यू आर अंडरवैल्यूड तो वो खुद में बहुत ज्यादा बुरी चीज है, बहुत
हाँ.
बुरा लगता
हाँ.
है. And I really think that these things are like in the present generation we can work on it and we can definitely make a difference in future. नहीं तो मतलब ऐसे बिहार का ओवरऑल बाहर के लोगों का नजरिया बिहार के लिए बहुत खराब है. लेकिन हाँ, अगर
Hmm.
कोई सामने से आता है बात करने को तो सीन कुछ अलग होता है, बट वी हैव अ लॉट
हाँ.
ऑफ स्कोप इन बिहार. हाँ.
Yes. True. Right.
हम्म,
Let's move to the next question. Uh,
हम्म,
I want to ask you कि where do you think the future of fashion industry lies? आगे जाके क्या फैशन व्लॉगिंग एक मेन स्ट्रीम हो जाएगा फैशन इंडस्ट्री में, और जितने भी
हम्म,
बड़े बड़े मीडिया हाउस है फिर ब्रांड हाउस है जो कि मतलब इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं फैशन को आज ओवरऑल,
हम्म,
या उनका इन्फ्लुएंस घट जाएगा और ये इंडिपेंडेंट क्रिएटर्स जैसे आप जैसे बाकी क्रिएटर्स है इनका इन्फ्लुएंस
हम्म.
फैशन पे ज्यादा रहेगा क्या?
Yeah. Now if I like look 10 years from now, I can
हम्म.
see a big change in the scenario. There will be a definite change in the scene, I think. And if we talk about like vlogging or podcasting, in new age skill based
हम्म.
job, basically, we don't have a set of work, like boundary line नहीं है, timeline नहीं है आपका.
यस. यस.
ठीक है. Like for instance, you have started this clarity talk. आपने ये start किया है and
या.
this is something very new, very alien, and you just see it as a YouTube channel or say like a podcast. And I tell you how I see it. I see you becoming a better, orator, better speaker, a better
वाओ.
video editor.
वाओ.
I can see you becoming a better audio fixer or even a bit bigger and better hustler. That's how we can say. So it's like a complete experience that we get working as a creative altogether. So we are like a package improvement ho raha hai pura. All the jobs that we see right now might not
हम्म.
exist 20 or 20 years later from now because of the
हम्म.
pace of digitalization that we can see. So if we
हाँ.
have like a bunch of skills, it would help us anyways make out our living, or like in general also it will help us. Talking about myself, I am right now, I'm fully capable of shooting on my own, editing on my own, scripting, visualizing,
हम्म.
conceptualizing, set creation and a lot of different things. So that will definitely open door to a lot of things in future,
राइट.
definitely.
राइट.
But if I talk about fashion blogging, like specifically, so I
हाँ.
have seen great rise like each passing year, great rise in the fashion industry, in the vlogging industry also. So people often say that the content creation area is becoming saturated. But
हम्म.
what is
हम्म.
the other side of it is that the number of creators are increasing. Also, is the consumer ka number. Consumers
यस.
are
यस.
also increasing day by day. Every day I see a new brand launching in India. A new brand comes up with a new fancy name and tagline and all of
हम्म.
it. So that's how these people are launching their brands in India. Still, like we are in 2021, and a lot of brands from the West are yet to launch their product services in India. And if
यस.
we are in this game for like next 3 4 years, I can assure that we would be massive, like in terms of numbers, in terms of influence. So I definitely see a lot of potential in this arena of vlogging and in fashion vlogging also.
ओके, सो व्हाट यू एसेंशियली सेइंग इज कि ये जो राइज है
Hmm.
फैशन ब्लॉगिंग का ये भी
Hmm. Hmm.
और राइज करेगा.
Yeah, definitely.
हम्म. तो मतलब कि बहुत सारे जो लिसनर्स होंगे उनके मन में सवाल होगा, एंड स्पेशली वो
Hmm.
लोग जो कि फैशन फैशन से अपने आप को
Hmm.
मतलब रिलेट करते होंगे एंड जिनको फैशन में
Hmm.
इंटरेस्ट होगा टू स्टार्ट देयर ओन
Hmm.
ब्लॉग.
Hmm.
तो
Hmm. Hmm.
आपके आपके पास कुछ ऐसा सजेशंस जो कि उनको हेल्प कर सकता हो, सजेशंस दैट.
I would love to. I would love to share something like that.
या.
क्योंकि क्योंकि मुझे नहीं मिला था, ठीक
हाँ
है।
वही।
So the first thing that I want to share is like a personal tip that I have gathered in these years, and it is I let me remind you of the days when I was like the most anxious kid back then, and I would spend nights watching videos on how to grow a YouTube channel, how to edit videos. I have watched so many videos. I have had like a lot of things in my mind us
Okay.
samay, and I made notes, like notes and pointers at how I can edit videos, and then I used to practice. I was the most anxious kid, and I came across the three concept of three C's that a lot of creators talk about: the
हम्म.
content, creativity, and consistency. ठीक है, तो कंटेंट इज द किंग। आई फील कंटेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, यू कैन नॉट गो रॉन्ग ऑन दिस। कंटेंट सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है। इफ यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग क्वालिटी कंटेंट, then you will get that loyal audience base, you'll get that support no matter what.
Yes.
Creativity again बहुत important है। Creativity for me is really important, and this I feel is the most important factor in the big crowd of creators. If we see that the if we talk about the saturation of the market, so there are a lot of creators, but what will make you stand out, what will make you stand apart from others, is the creativity, the vibe that you have. So it's
हम्म.
really important to have, also it's really important to have like a face value, that then only you can get that recognition, and वो face value भी बहुत important होती है, और वो आपकी personality and creativity से ही आती है. One more thing which I mentioned was consistency. Yes,
Yes.
so consistency, with that I mean how much you're dedicated, how frequently you are going to have like a conversation with your audience, your viewers. It's like a virtual conversation, but you have to do it frequently. You have to be in their minds like all the time. So I
हम्म.
like to upload twice a week, and my audience exactly knows the days on which I upload,
Oh
the
wow.
days of the week on which I upload, the time at which I upload. So that's how we get to talk virtually, and these are the three things that I definitely suggest to anyone who is planning to start out. Now, apart from these three things, one thing that I would like to say is to be real. That is really important. We should not imitate anyone else. We should be real of who we are and never fake it of someone who we are not. So that's all.
बहुत ही मतलब इंस्पायरिंग आपके सजेशंस हैं, एंड आई
Yeah.
थिंक टू ऑफ योर सजेशंस पर्सनली मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, स्पेशली द वन ऑफ
Thank
कंसिस्टेंसी व्हेन
you.
यू टॉक्ड अबाउट कि
Yeah.
मतलब अगर हम जब आप कंसिस्टेंसी बोल रहे थे तो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि आप बोलोगे कि कंटेंट को अपने कंसिस्टेंट रखो, कीप अपलोडिंग, राइट, बट देन यू सेड कि
बिल्कुल.
वो तो है ही, प्लस you also
Hmm.
have to be
Hmm.
consistent with the conversation and the interaction that you're having with your audience.
Your people.
Yeah, your
Yeah.
people. Yeah, that is
Hmm.
something कि मतलब ये सुना नहीं था, and obviously I'll try to I
Hmm.
mean apply that. Another दूसरी बात जो
Hmm.
आपने बोला कि you have to
Yeah.
be creative, मतलब कंटेंट
हाँ,
बहुत ज्यादा है वहां पे,
creativity
बट
is really important. Yes, we get the idea, and then we think of the creativity, how we can make it more creative and more worth watching.
स्पेशली आपने जो बोला कि मतलब वो वाइब क्रिएट करो वीडियो में जो तुम्हारा यूनिक वाइब है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. That will
ग्रेट
make you
देन.
stand out. हाँ.
या आई थिंक वी हैव कम टू एन एंड ऑफ दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन. अब एक थोड़ा सा रैपिड फायर राउंड है.
Oh my God, rapid fire.
आई होप यू आर रेडी.
Brain works really. I'm ready, but my brain works really slow. I have to like keep a check. Okay, let's start out.
हाँ, तो रूल्स आर वेरी सिंपल. I will ask you questions
Hmm.
and you
Hmm.
have to answer it quickly. Well, basically, you don't have to
हाँ,
think ज़्यादा. Say whatever comes
okay.
first to your mind.
Okay, okay, done.
Okay, so number one,
हाँ.
describe yourself in 3 words.
Hardworking, curious, and patient.
Wow, wow, very, very positive words. Great, great. The next question is your
Hmm.
current favorite movie and song.
Current favorite movie Chichore. I really love the movie, and
Song
current
जो अभी सुन
favorite
रहे हो आप
song
मतलब डेली बेसिस पे भी बहुत ज्यादा.
these days, Peaches. Peaches,
पीछे हाँ बहुत
obviously.
ज्यादा अच्छा. जस्टिन बीबर पीछे. ग्रेट, ग्रेट.
Justin, yeah. We are
नेक्स्ट इज
compelled to listen that because of the reels. Oh my God.
सही में मतलब अब रील्स रील्स बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स को बहुत ज्यादा हाइप कर दे रहे हैं.
Truly.
बट जेबी पीचेस इज रियली एन अमेजिंग सॉन्ग.
हाँ, हाँ.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द कार्टून यू वॉच्ड मोस्ट एज अ किड, बचपन में सबसे ज्यादा कार्टून कौन सा देखा आपने?
छोटा भीम. I'm an Indian kid. Pure
ओके.
Indian.
एंड व्हाट वाज योर फेवरेट कैरेक्टर? मेरा तो माइटी राजू था.
Mighty Raju, मेरी छुट्टी.
अच्छा, चुटकी. पता नहीं लोगों को भीम क्यों पसंद में आता था.
नहीं यार, भीम नो. आई उससे अच्छा तो वो था, जो मोटू था.
अच्छा हाँ, कालिया.
कालिया. कालिया.
हाँ. हाँ, बट माइटी राजू सबसे डायनेमिक कैरेक्टर था, उन सबसे सही
हाँ.
लगता था.
बहुत फनी भी.
हाँ. नेक्स्ट इज योर फेवरेट बॉलीवुड एक्टर.
फेवरेट बॉलीवुड एक्टर आदित्य रॉय कपूर एंड आर माधवन.
आर माधवन फैन. ओके. नेक्स्ट
ह्यूज
क्वेश्चन.
फैन.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Are you a morning person or night person? I think you've already answered it, but
नाइट
फिर
आउट.
से.
नाइट आउट. नाइट आउट.
Night
नाइट
person.
आउट.
Cool, cool. Some more questions, but इस क्वेश्चन के पहले एक छोटा सा रूल, एक्स्ट्रा रूल, कि जब आप इसको आंसर
ओके.
कर रहे हो
ओके.
तो आपको थोड़ा डिस्क्रिप्टिव होना है. मतलब डोंट बी जस्ट वन सेंटेंस
ओके.
आंसर. ओके.
ओके. ओके.
हाँ, तो थोड़ा सा फैंटेसी क्वेश्चन है. द फर्स्ट इज, इफ द वर्ल्ड वुड फ्रीज फॉर 1 hour right now, except you, everyone
ओके.
freezes, what would you do?
Okay, I'll switch off this podcast and I'll hit on my camera and I'll then run and record everyone's expression क्योंकि वो सब freezed होंगे and then when they'll be back to normal so I can make
उस पे
fun of
व्लॉग
them.
बनाओगे फिर आप?
Exactly.
क्रेजी. बहुत सही होगा. आई वुड वांट टू वॉच दैट अगर ऐसा हुआ तो. नेक्स्ट फैंटेसी क्वेश्चन इज, इफ आई गिव यू एनीवेयर डोर राइट नाउ, वेयर वुड यू गो?
मेरी मम्मी जा सकती है क्या साथ में?
ठीक है, ठीक है.
I can take. Okay, so I'll take my mom to a world tour. First, Paris.
ओके, पेरिस. वाओ.
Hmm.
पेरिस में कोई ऐसा जगह जहाँ पे आप मतलब जाना चाहो?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं है specifically, but yes, I want to take my mom to like a world tour. Just I and my mom, no one else.
वेरी गुड. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. if the world
Okay.
if the world was getting over tomorrow,
Mhm.
what would you do today? आपको पता है कि कल दुनिया खत्म होने वाली है.
Okay, so I'll divide my day into two parts. First of all, the first part I'll definitely spend it with my parents, with my family. Obviously, that's like obvious.
Yeah.
In the second part, I'll definitely talk to my internet, my extended family, through like live calls or from my Instagram handle or my YouTube. Just ask them, guys, bye bye, and to just talk to them for the last time.
Wow. And I loved it when you called your viewers your extended family and not
Yes,
just your audience.
that's how it is.
हाँ.
Yes.
Oh my God, this
It's like
conversation was
3
really
years
amazing.
from now. Thank you. It was just really fascinating and बहुत मजा आया. Thank you, Shobh, for doing this.
Yeah. So we have come to an end of this conversation. Thank you so much, Alisha, for coming here. If there is
Thank you, Shobh.
anything you want to add as a closing remark, please.
Acha, okay. So first of all, highly like heartedly congratulations to you and all the best for this clarity talk, and I
Thank
really
you so
want
much. Thank you so
all
much.
your like hard works and everything just come true, and आप जो भी करना चाहो सब कुछ achieve करो, and I wish a lot of like huge massive guests आपके podcast में आए. That's how yes.
I
Thank
don't
you.
know what to say. Thank you so much.
All the best. All the best.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hey there, thank you so much for listening to this episode. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. If you have any suggestions or if you want to talk to me, you can reach out to me on my Instagram handle, which is @claritytalk. CLARITEA talk. Also, please like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends.